Okay, I'm driving. The car is on. So I'm literally driving. And the radio is on. It's playing. It just totally went black. The panel is completely not there. It's not showing up. This is the third time this has happened now. It's happening right now today. I'm pressing the buttons. Nothing's happening. I press the power button to cut it off. The volume will come on. I can't push it off. I can't press the menu. I can't press tune. Thing on the dash, on the steering wheel, right here. Call, hang up, nothing. It's not doing anything. Everything just stops working. But the radio keeps playing, but I can't control it at all. It's not functioning. I can't cut it off. I can cut the volume up and down. See? That's it. But I can't change stations on the radio. See? Nothing. Can't change any stations on the radio. No lights, nothing there. This has started just this week. And this is like the third time this has happened.